In this video, I will explain you all the fees we have when trading on the platform Coinbase. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Coinbase, simply go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $50 in bonuses depending on how much you've traded in the first 14 days. You can reach those different bonuses in here. So if you trade at least for $100, you will get $5, and for at least $5,000, $20, and for at least $10,000, you get a $50 bonus. To create your account and be eligible for the bonuses, simply click right here on sign up. Then you will get to this page right here where you can enter your email address, click on continue and set a password, or simply use your Google or Apple account. So first of all, always make sure whenever you execute any trades on Coinbase that you have down here the advanced tab activated, because then you will first of all have much lower fees and much more control over your orders. To check your fee rates, you can simply go here to orders and then go to the fees tab. Then you will get to this page right here. You can always check your current fees in here and also your fee level, because if we scroll down here, you can see that on your account, you can reach different fee levels. So depending on how much you've traded in the past 30 days or what your asset balance on your account is, you can reach these different VIP tiers and therefore also further reduce your fee rates. Furthermore, you can also see that we have two different fee rates. So we have a maker and a taker fee. The maker fee, which is always visible on the left right here, always applies whenever you're using a limit order. So that counts for buy or sell, whichever you do. Right here, if you choose limit, you can set a certain price at which you want your order to be executed. And then you will have this lower fee that you can see on the left right here. The downside, of course, is that you need to type in a certain price and then maybe wait until your order will be executed. And it's also not a guaranteed execution. That's why the fees are lower. On the other hand, this so-called taker fee that we can see on the right side right here always applies whenever you're using a market order right here. The good thing about a market order is that you don't need to type in any price and it's just instead executed immediately at the current market price. But the downside is that the fees are a bit higher for that. Don't forget to pick up your $50 bonus by creating an account with the first link from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.